Hi guys, this is Julienmagic. So many of you guys watched my video, the sneeze prank, and you liked it, and you called it the Spider-Man sneeze. So let's do the part 2 as Spider-Man himself. Oh gosh. You have something in your hat. Oh. It's okay.
Thank you. Here.
Oh shit! Oh, I was just sneezing, you know? Spider-Man sneeze.
Really? Hey, get down, no. Hey, you don't have my fucking permission, asshole. Go fuck yourself.
Oh fuck, I'm done. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out the first clip I did with a sneeze prank. Link is down in the description. See you guys next week.